Hey classes, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into one of the most important aspects of dominating Clash of Clans, building a strong and effective base. Whether you are farming, pushing trophies or participating in clan war, I've got tips and tricks to help you create a base that's tough to crack. Let's get started. Let's begin from the home screen of our mobile phone. Open Clash of Clans application. First thing first, a good base starts with understanding its purpose. Are you protecting resources? Are you trying to defend against high-level attackers in war? Or are you looking to climb the rank in Legendary League? Each of these goals requires a different base design. So let's break it down step by step. A solid base has a few essential components. At first is core protection, and the second is trap placement, and the third is defensive coverage. Fourth, we have wall design. Now let's talk about specific base layout based on your goals. Farming base. Spread out your storage to make it harder for attackers to steal all your loot. War base. Centralize your town hall and high damage defenses around it. Use double giant bombs spot and make it tricky for attackers to predict trap placement. Trophy base. Prioritize strong outrange defenses and make sure your town hall is well protected. Force attackers into funneling using walls and traps. Want to take your base to next level? Here are few advanced tips. Anti-3-star design. For war base, create layouts that confuse attackers. Use asymmetry and traps to dispute their funneling. Pathing and funneling. Guide enemy troops into an area where your defenses can deal the most damage. And the last is air versus ground defense. Balance your defenses to counter both air and ground attacks. Not sure where to start? Use the in-game base editor or check out community tools like Clash of Clans Builder. You can also search for layout online tailored to your town hall level. Just make sure to tweak them to fit your needs. And there you have it, classes. With these tips, you will be able to build a base that can withstand almost any attack. Remember, no base is unbeatable, but a good design will make your opponents work for every star. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.